Okay, it's time for a quick lesson with Chordbot for the alto sax, doing B-flat major scale. Let's start with this tone of hammered is the first one on there. The tempo, let's make it, I think around let's make it 95 is like the default tempo. Then we're going to get rid of whatever we have on there, so you take the minus button. And we get down to one chord. In E, we do not want E. What we want is B-flat concert. So we press that guy, and we're going to put in B-flat. And I think we want a major 7 because we want this to really be for the major chord. When you have just a major chord with the triad, you can throw a flat 7 in there and it'll sound okay. So we're going to do major 7. So we pretty much have to play. Okay, let's get it going here. So the most important thing is to find one. A lot of programs don't differentiate or do show you like a little moving something that gives you one. You got to hear one. So it's like. Concert B flat. If you have trouble with that, just do 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That would be. Okay, so now let's increase it to eighth notes. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 we'll start out with. And slurred, and it probably tongued a little harder. Okay, now let's go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first, second, the third, fourth, and the fifth notes of the scale. Then down again. Okay, now we're going to go all the way up to the top. 2, ready, go. Here we go. Good. Okay. Now I want you to do that in 4 keys to get started with. So B flat is G for us. Then that was 1 sharp. Then we're going to go to 1 flat. This is going to be A flat. Okay? Do the same thing. Okay? And then get really comfortable with it. And when you're more comfortable with it, okay, well, and then actually the other ones we want to do are 2 sharps now. That's going to be F. Okay? That's D for the alto sax. 2, 3. Okay, and then after that, we're going to do concert D flat. There we go. Now that is going to be B flat for the alto sax. B flat. Practice your tonguing while you do this. So let's do 2 notes per let's see, da 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 da, like that. So that's to practice your articulation. That's a good idea. Go ahead and do that on all the other 3 chords also. So to sum up, we've got D flat is the same as B flat. That's 2 flats for the alto sax. Then we go to A flat. That's the same as F. it's 1 flat for the alto sax. Then we go to B flat. That is 1 sharp for the alto sax. That's G. And finally D for the alto sax is the same as F concert. F concert is D for the alto sax. I'm skipping the obvious one, which is E flat, which is no sharps and flats for the alto sax, because that one is a little bit low and a little bit high for some players. So we'll skip that one. So stay tuned for more.